All right, so we have a lot of corrosion here. You can see the guides are frozen. We'll have to heat these up and see if we can make them move. Bill's on that side right there. Really well. So the e-brakes are all tore apart here on the passenger side. You can see the ABS sensor in here. We got to get all that cleaned. Oh yes, yep. ABS sensor wiring. Not bad. We're gonna take apart the other side. Yeah, I gooped mine with anti-seize. Well, the good news is the e-brake on this side is dry. So if anything, you might just have a slight axle seal leak on the passenger side.
Hoping maybe it goes away.
This is exactly what you have, Bill. So it's good to see this done in case you ever want to change your e-brakes. Here's your ABS sensor. This is what broke on the trail for me. See this wire right here? Yeah. It's fixed. It's a fixed piece that goes through, and see how it rides right on that tone ring right there? Just does a pulse, an electrical pulse. The computer counts it, and all right, new rotors are on the back, brand new e-brakes installed. Not gonna lie to you, as all JK e-brakes, one big pain in the ass. Moving over to the driver's side here now, but we'll wrestle and get this e-brake assembly on. Then we'll be on the downhill. All right, a little look at the setup here. This is the driver's side, star up. Turning the star clockwise expands the shoes. See the two springs. Arrow down on the e-stop mechanism. All right, you can see the squealers on the inside. You can see the pads are in, they're greased up. We're gonna torque that adapter bracket and we gotta get the pads in on this side right here on the driver's side. All right, brand new pads, brand new rotors in the rear, brand new e-brakes. That's nice. Come around here to the front. Adam gave Mike a nice set of rotors when he upgraded, so we got rotors on the front, new pads on the front. Steering wheel's off. We're going to be adjusting the drag link because this is a different drag link off of a different vehicle. Not bad. Good look at Delanie's JK. Got some wheel well inserts to install, and we may mess around with the clock spring. All right, the steering wheel's off because this is a different axle in this Jeep and she's popping a code. So we're gonna be adjusting the stock drag link. We put the wheel well inserts back in. They're all installed nice. New pads, rotors. Bill's putting the tires on right now. Very nice.
No, it's not.
Put the carpet back in, the seats, seat belt, new WeatherTech floor mats. Did a little painting over there, and we also did a little sanding, and we're gonna spray paint. Once that dries, we're gonna spray paint all that metal right there. We're gonna leave a couple of those drain plugs out. Sadly, like a lot of JKs, a lot of times there's a water leak when it rains hard somehow down that A-pillar, and it collects in the footwells. So, really nice. Okay, Delanie and Grandpa Transu are taking the Jeep for a little test drive here. A lot of work was done to it today, so got a few more bugs to work out, a couple electrical issues, but all the important things seem really sound. Oh yeah, that thing's looking good. Cooter's garage, there he is, right there. And yes, Wild Bill is in Cooter's garage. He needs some air in these tires for his journey home. And he's got a fix. He's running a Patagonia. He lost, he rolled the bead on the Falcon Wild Peak up at Badlands. He's got a new shock. New, what is it? forget what brand this is. What is it? Terraflex shocks? Falcon?
Terraflex.
Yeah, Terraflex owns it, so he's got a new Falcon shock. He just doesn't have it yet.
I'm sorry. That's all right. I thought that was I thought that was the gauge that's a quarter.
So Delanie's doors just really wouldn't open or come out, and this is what happens when people don't ever take their doors out. Massive corrosion in there. There's a bushing. We kind of cleaned it out. This bushing here was annihilated, and basically Bill took some emery cloth and took a lot of the corrosion off of each one of these. So we're going to goop them really good, and hopefully that cures this back door. And we're working on the driver's side door right now. But I'm talking 2-3 guys pulling up on this door with everything they have to try to separate this hinge.
Goes front to back, and the arm goes.
The arm goes in there. Wow.
That's a
That way.
reinforcement for it?
No, that's probably the mount for it.
Look at these freaking control arms. There we go. Let's take a peek at that bad boy. Wow.
It's time for a new razor blade.
New gadgets, Colin. Bill's happy.
Yeah. So you weld this in?
Down in Cooter's garage. See all this rock crawler stuff. 1-ton axles, knuckles, axle shafts, all for Wild Bill. It's like Christmas over here.
This goes to the
Pounds? I don't know.
Freaking
lighter
long
than it
arm
looks.
rock crawler lift. Those arms right there, about 30 pounds apiece. Good stuff going on. There you go.
I don't know if those are fronts, rears.
I don't know either, but
Flip it around the other way.
it'll go. It just needs some. Is it the other way that goes?
I don't
This
know.
goes to the body, I would think.
Yeah. Well,